everyone, what's up? Your favorite RV fanatic back at it. And today, I'm buzzing like I just smashed a triple espresso before a cross-country haul. Because listen, if you've been anywhere near Instagram, TikTok, or car forums lately, you've probably seen those shots floating around. You know the ones. That sleek, blacked-out monster that looks like a Lamborghini built for the end of the world. 6 wheels, glowing accents, tires the size of a small house. Yeah, that's the one. We're talking about the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome concept. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just another RV. It's like someone threw a Lamborghini supercar, a military truck, and a luxury hotel into a blender and hit beast mode. As somebody who's obsessed with everything from tiny teardrop trailers to million-dollar coaches, I can honestly say, this might be the wildest vision I've ever seen. So today, we're breaking it down. The killer design, the insane power, under the hood, the off-road muscle, the mind-blowing interior, the price tag that'll make your wallet cry, and how it stacks up against the best rigs out there. Sound good? All right, buckle up. Let's dive in. Just look at this thing. 35 feet of pure aggression, rolling down the highway like it's auditioning for Mad Max. The body? Matte black. All sharp edges, hexagonal details, and that iconic Lamborghini bull shining like a badge of honor on the side. And the lighting? Oh man, futuristic orange LED strips running across the body like neon veins, giving it that post-apocalyptic glow. Then check out the wheels. Massive gold-spoked monsters wrapped in chunky off-road rubber. The profile is low-slung yet towering, kind of like a stretched Lamborghini Urus that's been armored up for the end times. And because it's Lambo, you know they didn't skimp on the tech. Carbon fiber everywhere, pop-out sections for extra living space, and even subtle aerodynamic flaps that adjust themselves while you drive. Forget boxy old RVs. This is a mobile fortress that looks like it belongs at a car show just as much as a campsite. Word is, Lamborghini's cooking up a hybrid setup that teams their iconic V12 with electric boosters. Total output? Over 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking supercar numbers in a motorhome. 0 to 60, under 4 seconds. In a 35-foot RV, let that sink in. You could outrun some Ferraris while hauling your jet skis in the back. The V12 gives you that signature Lamborghini roar. But switch to electric mode, and you get about 30 to 40 miles of silent cruising. Perfect for sneaking into eco campgrounds or saving some fuel on shorter hops. Efficiency, around 12 to 15 mpg combined. Not earth-shattering, but let's be real, nobody's buying a $3 million Lamborghini motorhome because they're worried about gas money. And with all-wheel drive across 6 wheels, smart torque distribution, and precision handling, this thing isn't a sluggish beast. It's a straight-up adrenaline machine. This isn't just for show. Lamborghini's clearly aiming at off-road adventurers, too. With a true 6x6 layout, adjustable air suspension that can jack the clearance way up, and locking diffs with terrain, modes like sand, mud, and rock crawl. This motorhome is ready to chew up trails that would leave normal RVs stranded. Those oversized tires grip like Velcro, and the whole chassis is engineered to flex over obstacles without rattling your teeth out. Compare it to heavy hitters like EarthCruiser or Mercedes Unicat. Yeah, they're tough, but they don't have this kind of flair. The Lamborghini adds speed, agility, and pure Italian drama to the adventure rig scene. If you've ever wanted to roll into Burning Man or cross the Sahara, In something that turns heads while it climbs dunes, this could be your ride. The interior is pure Lambo luxury, stretched into RV form. Walk through the doors and it expands into a high-tech oasis. We're talking leather seats that hug you like a tailored suit, carbon fiber dashboards, mood lighting that syncs with your playlist. The master bedroom? A floating king-sized bed with massage functions. The bathroom? A spa on wheels with steam showers and heated floors. The kitchen? Sleek appliances, quartz countertops, even a built-in espresso machine because, hey, Lamborghini knows their audience. Entertainment is next level too. Massive curved OLED screens, voice-activated AI controls for everything. And yes, even a rooftop deck that unfolds so you can sip champagne under the stars. Storage is smart too, with hidden compartments and even a mini garage for bikes or ATVs. Compared to classics like Newell or Featherlight coaches, which are plush but old school, this feels like stepping 10 years into the future. Rumors say it'll start around $3 million with fully loaded versions hitting $5 million or more. That puts it way beyond the average luxury RV, which usually caps out around $1.5 million. But then again, this is Lamborghini. You're not just buying an RV, you're buying bragging rights, exclusivity, and a rolling piece of art. And when you stack it against hypothetical rivals, say a Ferrari RV focused on handling or a Bugatti RV leaning into armored elegance, the Lamborghini finds this sweet spot: speed, off-road muscle, and luxury living. It's ridiculous, it's over the top, and it's why the internet can't stop talking about it. So yeah, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome concept isn't just a camper. It's a wild dream on wheels, part supercar, part fortress, part five-star hotel. Will it ever actually hit production? Who knows? But one thing's for sure, it's got everybody talking. Now I want to know, would you sell your house for one of these? Or are you sticking to something a little more reasonable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if this beast got your imagination racing, share it with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane RV concepts, reviews, and travel inspiration. Thanks for hanging out, Road Warriors. Stay safe, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next one.